Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Our today's topic is apostrophe. Right? Let's start. So, first of all, look here. This is the symbol of apostrophe. Okay, this symbol is known as apostrophe. If I ask you a question, what is an apostrophe, or what do you understand by an apostrophe? So, what should be your answer? Your answer should be an apostrophe is a symbol in English language, right? And if I ask you, where and why do we use apostrophe? So we use apostrophe to show belongingness or to shorten a word, right? Now let's see example here. Ram's pen. It means the pen of Ram. It is showing belongingness, right? Now shorten word. Are not. It is written as aren't. Okay, here. So it is a shortened word. Now you must know this contraction. A word that has an apostrophe is called a contraction, right? What is a contraction? A word having an apostrophe, right? I hope everything is clear to you. Now one more thing that I want to tell you. In a shortened word, where do we put apostrophe? From where a letter or letters is or are removed. Okay, from where we remove letter or letters, there we put apostrophe, right? I hope everything is clear to you. Let's see some contractions here. Some important contractions that you always see. Are not, aren't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, could not, couldn't, would not, wouldn't, should not, shouldn't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't, has not, hasn't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. So these are the common contractions that you see, right? I hope you got them. And your homework is here. Write and learn this topic and improve your reading and writing skill. And one more thing that I want you to do, that is fill your practice book, right? And if you feel any doubt anywhere, then you can ask me, you can call me or message me, right? But not WhatsApp call on phone, right? And message on WhatsApp, not on phone. Two things. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.